Good morning, everyone. Let's go feed the fish. It's a beautiful morning compared to yesterday with the big giant thunderstorms we had. It was bad. There was a tornado and everything. Okay. We went and got those little baby raccoons yesterday. That was fun. We didn't get them until after the rain stopped, but they're so cute. Why are you watching my fish? Why are you watching my fish? Lady. Hey, why are you watching my fish? You better leave my fishies alone. Better leave my fishies alone. It's gonna be cold if you go in, ma'am. Ma'am, it's gonna be cold if you go in there, so let's not go in there, okay? Okay? All right? Deal? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, you cannot have them. No, Maisie, come on, let's go. Let's go, Maisie, come on. She's such a brat. It's gonna be cold if she falls in there. I mean, it's 70, 68, but the breeze is really chilly. Come on, girl, let's go. Let's go. Zelda, you're getting all muddy, Mama. Zelda, come on. He don't want to play. Zelda. Zelda. He don't want to play. Zelda. Zelda, quit. Your neighbors are awake. And she just ran in the house with the muddy feet. Keep your muddy feet out here, lady. Lady. All right, maybe we'll try to do a live in a few. You guys have a great day. See you. Bye.